Hello, welcome to FM Corner. I'm Danny Koontz, your host, Director of Relationship Management for Windy City Equipment. Today on FM Corner, we're going to talk about part 2 of owning your mistakes. Last week, we talked about part 1 and how important it is when you make a mistake to own it. Own it, get working on it, apologize to people for it, and fix it. No excuses, no nothing. I messed up, and start moving along. If you don't take that approach, you're going to lose trust. You'll start giving excuses. Excuses will lead to more excuses. And at the end of the day, none of that's going to matter because it's still wrong. And you got to fix it. And we all make them. Everybody does. We will all make them today, tomorrow. You're in the business world. Every decision you make won't be right. Today, we're going to talk about some of the things that's important in the business landscape that we work in about owning that mistake. First thing is, it actually demonstrates integrity. There's nothing bad comes out of that. If you make a mistake and you own it and you take responsibility for it and you work to get it fixed, people have respect for you. Believe in your integrity because you're honest and you're open and you speak about it. If you don't, people believe that you, one, don't recognize it, or two, you're looking for somebody to blame because it couldn't be your fault. And you don't want to be one of those people that the team or the people around you think, well, they're not going to listen to me because they don't ever believe they're wrong. Everybody's wrong at some point. Everybody. You show character and you show courage when you own your own mistakes. Courage and character, two of the most important things you can have. Second, it shows you're human. People look and observe. They watch what you do. Making a mistake makes a person go, well, crap, he's like me or she's like me. They make mistakes too. Sure, everybody does. Everybody does. But it shows you're human. It shows you're trying to do something to make things better. You just hit the wrong button. You made a mistake. Okay, then you go fix it. You're juggling lots of balls, lots of things going on in your life. You do it at home. If you're like me, you have a shopping list. You go to the grocery store. What are the odds that I'm going to get 100% of the items on there exactly the way that my wife put them on? None. Not happening. I'm going to make a mistake. Something will happen. I didn't mean to, but it happened. It's okay. It builds trust and loyalty. Admitting your mistakes to your customer can sometimes build customer retention. There's always that belief that when you mess up with a customer, you just throw money at it. Throw money at it and that makes it right. No, it doesn't. No, it doesn't. Not always. What it really builds sometimes is that you made a mistake and you're very open about it and you told the customer and you're actually building trust that you're open and honest in what went wrong. Not throwing money. Some people perceive throwing money at it as you keep the money until you get caught and then you give it to me. That doesn't work. That's not what you're trying to do. Be honest, be open. Sometimes it can build a better partnership between you and the customer that you're serving. You stand out. Again, you don't hide it. You owned it. You didn't shift the problem somewhere else. You didn't sugarcoat it. You didn't try to make it better than it was. You took responsibility and you're going to work on it. And you are speaking to those people that are having to jump in to help you figure it out. You're apologizing and thanking them for being of assistance to help you get it done. That's what real leadership is. It's what good teamwork is. And the key to all that is mistakes are going to be part of what happens in your job every day. Nothing more I can say than own it. Own it, be accountable, and fix it. That's it. Thank you very much for listening today. Any comments you have, I would always love to hear. We'll see you next week.